Hey crew, I'm going to try this one more time for you guys and let me know again if this is helpful or not. Taking advantage of some quiet time here. So I will post these notes, which are lesson 6 notes, tomorrow sometime, but I figured go through a few of them with you right now. Some new vocab maybe for you, angle of elevation. So that's an angle formed with a horizontal line of sight with another line from the observer looking upward. So that forms an angle of elevation. Compared to an angle of depression, again, an observer's horizontal line of sight, but this time looking down to some object below. So angle of elevation looking out and up, angle of depression out and down. Okay, so most of this will require us to draw our own pictures. So let's see how we do. Suppose the angle of elevation from a rowboat, there's my rowboat, I'm sure many of you are far more artistic than I, to the lighthouse, to the light of a lighthouse, is 35 degrees, okay? So here's the horizontal, right? And then looking up, there we go. So this angle right here is 35 degrees. You see that? You know that the lighthouse is 96 feet tall. So this height right here, 96 feet. You see the right triangle that's formed here? How far from the lighthouse is the rowboat? There we go. Looking for that distance. Do you guys hear that screaming in the background? That's my everyday. All right, so I'm going to try to continue here. How far from the lighthouse is the rowboat? Round your answer to the nearest foot. Okay, so we're looking for a side. The process is from the reference angle, label our sides. This is opposite the angle, and this is next to the angle, which is called adjacent. Which function uses O and A? Always write SOHCAHTOA down, guys. That just helps. You got me? So hopefully you guys were thinking tangent. Let's interpret what this means. It means tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite side to the adjacent. Remember from yesterday's video that when you're looking for a side, that's when you set up a proportion. Cross multiply. I'm running out of room here. And then solve for x. What do we need to do to get x alone here? Were you saying it? Divide by tan 35. I almost can hear your voices in my head. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so calculator to the rescue. Let's try to put it up. Right side up. Ah, yes, I know. I need to charge you. Okay, so we're going to do 96 divided by tan 35. I'm going to get 137. Let's see. Well, wasn't that fun? Alrighty. Let's try another one. You guys getting bored yet? A forest ranger looking out from the ranger tower can see a fire at a 40-degree angle of depression. So the forest ranger's up here, right? His horizontal line of sight is here, but he spots a forest fire obviously down here. So this is the angle of depression. That's the 40 degrees. Okay, so we could either create a right triangle here, or we could create a right triangle here. That's up to you. Okay, let's continue reading. The tower is 100 feet tall. So this distance right here is 100 feet. I'm going to just use this triangle for now. Okay, there's the fire. Should I draw it? How's my fire? You guys miss my drawings? This is her. She's very artistic. So it says, to the nearest foot, how far is the base of the tower from the fire? So we're looking here. Okay, how far? We need an angle here. What is this angle going to measure completely? 90 degrees, right? So if this angle's 40, what's this? Did you say 50? You guys are so smart. We could either use that as 50, or we could use, our little Z trick. We could use these parallel lines cut by a transversal, create congruent alternate interior angles. So I could put that as 40. Either angle would work, folks. So if you made this 50 and used that angle, or used 40 here, both okay, okay? So now I'm going to use this triangle using this angle, 40 degrees. This is my opposite side, and this is my adjacent side. Again, using tan. Okay, same process, okay, folks? So at this point, set up a proportion, cross multiply. When you're looking for the denominator, hint, divide. Denominator, divide, DD. Okay, so x times tan 40 equals 100. Divide each side by tan 40, and I did not plan ahead here for space here. So x equals 100 divided by tan 40. Let's go over to our friend. 100 divided by tan 40, and we get 119. It says to the nearest foot, so 119 feet. What do you guys think? How are you doing with this stuff? Shall we go on? Are you getting bored? I feel like you're probably rolling your eyes at this point. All right, so let me look. I'm looking for, oh my goodness. I should do this last one, but I'll separate that one into its own YouTube tutorial. You know what? How about I'm good for now? And just because I hear some chaos going on downstairs, I will post this, and then I'll post the rest of the key tomorrow, and you guys shoot me any questions, comments, concerns you have, okay? All right, guys. Hopefully we see each other soon.